Want to know how to create a simple menu system in Cursor AI or let Cursor AI create it automatically? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application, and once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So I have this simple code with me. So we have also created various videos about Cursor AI, so make sure you watch it. So you can just simply select the entire code by selecting Ctrl+A and then select Ctrl+K, which will open up your quick edit. So make sure you're under edit selection right here. And once I've done that, you can just simply copy this prompt as you can see on the prompt bar and then select enter. So once that is done, your code should be started to generate and the AI should edit it out in a minute. So once that is done, you should be good to go, just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. So as you can see, the code has already been changed. So you can just simply create an output and you're good to go. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.